Bongga, ito yung Trinoma. Ito yung exhibit nila. So, Christmas festive na dito sa Trinoma.
My video, have fun and relax.
Adventures, we are now approaching the Trinoma. Trinoma means Trinoma because it is triangle. Because before it was called North Triangle. This is the Trinoma. So at the bottom of this mall is the depot of Metro Rail Transit or MRT.
Ito na ba?
Beauty of the Philippines.
Hello mga subscriber.
Hello mga subscribers and viewers. Welcome to
Please follow me.
Trinoma. Trinoma.
Thank you for watching. And I love you.
Welcome to Ayala Malls, Trinoma. So today is November 17, 2024. So naglag-lag muna si James Van sa Trinoma. Nag-window shopping. So dito tayo. Hello Mr. Brian Reyes, my pilot. Trinoma. Sa ilalim pala ng mall na to, ando doon yung MRT depot. Yung paradahan ng mga train ng Metro Rail Transit. So ito yung Pro Value. Sa taas naman yung Handyman. So this is your host, Mr. James Van, James Classic Adventure. Bati-bati sa aking mga friends, mga subscriber and viewers ng James Classic Adventure. Of course, sa mga my birthday celebrant, my birthday, yung pinapanood nyo ang aking video, ito yung pagbati ko sa inyo. So next, birthday greetings. Thank you very much. bongga. Ito yung Trinoma. Ito yung exhibit nila. Busy si Maring Christy. Brian, ano masasabi mo sa Miguelito ice cream? What can you say sa Miguelito ice cream? Yummy, yummy? Busy sila, oh. Ayan, demo si Jenna Baby. Demo siya ng steam brush. Ito pala yung aming multi-function steam brush. Ayan. Yan po ang aming multi-function steam brush. 20 years na yan in the market. Natin dinidemo ni James Bond. Hi, Miss Christy Bustillo. Tumatago ang aking friends. So, Christmas festive na dito sa Trinoma. So ito naman yung aming smart fan. Dinemo din ni James Bond yan dati. This portion is brought to you by Pure Pot Tender JC Hotdog.
Ayun na, parts.
Ayan. Ito yung pa-sponsor ni Miss Cristo Bustillo. Thank you for the sponsor. Ayan, busy na si Jenna. Maraming benta si Jenna.
Sa YouTube na.
Jenna, umano ba? Yung ganda?
Malamang.
O ligwak? Ligwak o pasado ang ganda? Pasado daw ang. Box office?
Ang coffee. Ang Starbucks. Nag-doy. Yung coffee ko naging Starbucks.
Box office daw. So, ngayon, tapos na yung exhibit dito sa Trinoma. Yung pala yung aking pilot. Hello, Mr. Pilot. Mr. Brian Reyes, my pilot. And of course, yung kung may pilot, may stewardess. Steward, Mr. James Bond. And James Classic Adventure. Shout out to all of my friends, subscribers, and viewers of James Classic Adventure Vlog. Shout out to you all. Shout out to my friend in South Africa, in Durban community, KZN. Sandra, to Ate Marilyn in the Indian Ocean, Marilyn, in the mountain. Of course, all of my friends there, and also in Johannesburg, to Webon, to Pastor Randy, to Ate Miriam, to my tropang walwalan dyan. Of course, mga tropa pips sa South Africa. Of course, my friends, classmates in PUP, in Tigangi, Rita Mindoro, and of course in Ismenia, in PUP. Shout out to all Ed markers all around the world. Shout out to all, to my subscribers and viewers. This is your host, James Bond from James Classic Adventure.
Magtulog tayo mamaya.
Merry Christmas! So dito tayo ngayon sa Trinoma Mall. So Christmas na. Hello Brian! Merry Christmas! Welcome to Trinoma Mall. So Christmas 2024. And this is your host, James Bond. Merry Christmas to all. Adventures, so welcome. It's now another adventures of James Bond. Classic adventures of James Bond. I'd like to see my pilot again. Very dark, and my pilot, Mr. Brian Reyes.
Please subscribe.
Brian Reyes, Brian Man, and this is your host, James Bond, James Classic Adventures. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and post the notification bell for you to be notified of my next video. Have a nice day. Bye and God bless you. Mwah. Adventures, I hope you enjoy watching another episode of my adventure. Kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't forget to press the notification bell for you to be updated in my next video. For my subscribers and viewers, thank you very much for supporting me. God bless you all and have a nice day.